In all honesty talaga, napakadami activities ni PC.
Nung nag-open up yung mga club activities, per se, part ako ng volleyball club. Hi, PC Grade Spiker. So, yeah. So, parang you have something to look forward to right after your work. And something also an avenue for you to distress. And also, for me, hindi lang kasi siya basta activities eh. It's also building that extended family. Diba? Na ako, since living alone ako, parang may mga ate, may mga kuya, may mga bagong kaibigan. So, I really love that angle that PC is offering to me right now.
May mga kasama ka pa ng mga ka-work mo. Saka ano na siya, from hindi kayo nagpapansinan sa hallway pag nagkakasalubong. But then, dahil magkakasama kayo sa club, sa mga activities ni PC, parang, huy, tara, badminton tayo. Parang biglang magkakaaya ng gano'n na parang 5 years na kayo magkakilala.
I feel like, kasi when it comes to strategy, I'm thinking of it na parang it's not just about HR, it's not an HR thing to do, but it's the whole PC eh. Like once we launch an initiative, well, coming from L&D, it takes time to really apply that sa mga employees. So parang, hindi lang siya sa atin nang gagaling, but also yung employees mismo parang on par doon sa movement.
Toxic ang work environment ng personal collection.